This video provides an overview of the functionality of the new online form to report water well volumes by owner. This is a temporary reporting application as the Department of Conservation and Energy works to incorporate functions within Sunrise, the department's central database for most functions. This application is intended for users with less than 10 wells. Well owners with 10 or more wells have been provided a template to report their volumes. To get started, visit the website that has been emailed to you, as well as provide your unique well owner 4-digit code. Do not share your 4-digit code with anyone outside of your organization. It is the key to validating your submission. If you do not recall your unique well owner code, select the link at the top of the page to send an email for assistance. Select your well owner name from the drop-down list. It is in alphabetical order. Or you can begin typing in a portion of your name to select the well owner. You'll key in your submitter name, email, and phone number, and then you'll begin to fill out information for each well. There are 9 regions, one for each well. Only complete the number of regions associated with your owner information. So in this example, we start with first water well, followed by second, if appropriate, third, etc. I will give examples as if I am a one well owner versus more than one. So in this example, this is not a unique well owner code, just for testing purposes. I'm going to select a one well operator Bengal pipeline, provide my name, provide my phone number, and my email. Once you submit, users will receive a confirmation email with the data that was submitted. So I selected my well owner. Now I will go to the drop-down list and select my well. And again, we can start typing to access the well. In the drop-down list, we see there's only one well to report for this well owner. So I'll begin keying in my volumes. One thing to note is the units are in gallons versus thousands of gallons that were previously required to be reported. So you will provide the volume per month, the type of meter, select if the readings are automated. This is referencing to if the volumes are collected digitally. When was the meter last calibrated? And an optional comment. This is ideal for if the well was shut in for various reasons, or potentially the well has been P&A'd and paperwork is pending with the department. So as noted right here, if you have no other wells in the list to file, scroll to the bottom to submit your volumes. So we will scroll all the way to the bottom. We'll select the certification, submit. And it has validation that you complete all fields. So we will correct my test email to reference an appropriate email. We'll select submit. And then we have the verification that it was submitted. As soon as submission is made, staff at the department will receive a copy of your submission. If we notice that any wells are missing, we will reach back out to you to collect that information. So as an example, as one operator, one well owner operator. So now I'm going to submit as if I operate multiple wells. So I'm going to key in the unique code that was emailed to me. I'm going to select another well owner as an example, provide the necessary information, And then I'll scroll down to select my wells. So this well is an example of one that has been shut in, and I'm going to say it doesn't have a meter because it's been shut in. No, they're not automated because they don't have a meter on there. But again, note we provided 0 volumes. And I'm going to say well is shut in based on pump issues, no meter equipped. And again, this is all fictional, just testing purposes. Scroll down. I know I have 2 more wells on this list, so I'm going to fill out information for them as well. And this is another well that is shut in. Well shut in. Now I'll scroll down to my 3rd well. And this is one that has been operating. So I will key in my volumes, noting that the units are in gallons. Key in my meter. Yes, we'll say they're automated. Calibration, I'll say my last calibration was last year and no issues. So now I've completed my filing for all my wells. And again, I'll scroll to the bottom and submit. And again, the user will receive an email confirming the filings, and the department will also receive an email. Thank you for your time. And again, if there are any questions, feel free to select this link at the top to submit them, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you.